Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Chef Angie. You're welcome to our YouTube channel. And my friend over here is
Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting.
Yes.
We promise to give you more recipes that are easy to make,
Yes,
with easy to find ingredients.
yes. And please do suggest if you have some things that you want us to prepare. You just comment and then we will prepare for you, teach you. So today we are learning how to make rice balls.
Hey,
Yes, rice balls.
this reminds me of my childhood.
Ah,
Yeah,
just
just that I see cheese somewhere.
yes.
I wasn't have
We want
cheese.
them to be gooey.
And you know the funniest thing? We used to say that they're made in the
No, never. Listen to that. Yeah, so for our rice balls, very easy. Rice, we have rice. In this case, we have sticky rice, and our sticky rice in Uganda is super rice. So we already boiled it. We have some eggs here. We have paprika, chili, basil, some turmeric. We have salt. We have mozzarella cheese that is grated. We have fresh coriander, some chopped onions, red bell pepper, and spring onions. Then we have flour and breadcrumbs to coat our rice balls. So, Chef Cathy, yes, please start it off.
dish.
Going to add ingredients. You know what I like about this?
Tell me.
You put everything together. You have leftover rice. You can just use it, and you will have a good treat. Yes.
So no wastage.
No wastage. Kabisa. So everything is in there. So with the eggs just help us bind it together. Just bring it together. In goes the cheese, and yeah, let's be generous with the cheese. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, and if you feel like it's not coming together because the shape should hold, we want to achieve that round shape. If you feel like it's not coming together, you can just add a little flour. Yes, add a little flour and give it a good mix. So what you want to do right now is just scoop and make those round, like those balls, and you want it to hold together. You want the shape to hold together. Then we will do the breading and then fry. Do you mind tasting the salt?
Why me?
Please do taste the salt and see if we need to add just season. I've tasted. You have tasted. Okay, so we are good.
Let's go good.
It tastes good. Yeah, okay. So right now we are using the same spoon so that we can have consistency. Okay, so we are ready. We have we dumped, make sure that our hands were damp, and then now we tried to make the round shape. So right now we're going to do the breading. So for breading, you need flour, you need some eggs and some breadcrumbs, which you can also add spices to. Like now I added some paprika, a little salt, and some basil. Yeah, so first coat them with flour, egg. Used a small bowl for the egg, but will be good to go. Then breadcrumbs. The trick is to make sure that they coat fully.
Melted to go.
Yeah.
This is very easy to make and fun.
Easy to make.
So imagine an activity for your kids who are going in for holidays, who are already in holiday.
Yes.
A way to keep them busy.
Yes, another way of eating rice.
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't want to eat rice.
Push. Another way of consuming.
Just make it interesting. You know, kids just like interesting food.
Yes.
You might say they don't like to eat chicken, but how are you making the chicken?
You just prick it a little and you'll be surprised.
They just get bored by the everyday cooking.
Yes.
So if you make a sauce today, next day, try it.
So we are done making the balls, and our oil is also ready on medium heat. Make sure it's not too hot, because then they won't cook through on the inside, and we want that it to be golden brown.
So guys, the rice balls, yes, they were everything I expected them to be. Cheesy, colorful, gooey, moist, everything nice. So I can't wait to try this recipe. Even me myself, I'm gonna try it at home. So as we say goodbye, I would want to tell you about 7-Star Culinary Institute, where we are instructors. Today we decided to put on our chef's jackets.
Yeah,
you see the we are located in Ntinda, just along Dr. Sia Road, behind Isabella. Diploma, certificates, short courses, vacancy courses, and even holiday makers right now.
yes.
There is something for you. So check us out. Our number in the description box.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.